This is the Gerber EAB pocket knife. EAB stands for exchange blade. It uses a razor, a contractor razor. You dull one side of the knife, flip it over, dull the other side, and then replace the blade with a brand new one. That way you always have a sharp knife. It's very low profile. It comes with a pocket clip. It's got a liner lock that it uses to keep the blade open. Got the Gerber emblem on the pocket clip. On the other side, it's just smooth. You could actually engrave some stuff there if you wanted. Gerber EAB exchange blade pocket knife, model 1830.